Hey everyone, is your car struggling to shift gears or suddenly going into limp mode? If you've scanned your vehicle and found trouble code P0872, transmission fluid pressure sensor, switch A circuit low, then you need to fix it ASAP. This issue can cause harsh shifting, transmission failure, and costly repairs, but don't worry. In this video, I'll explain what this code means, the symptoms, possible causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor locations to help you fix it. Let's get started. What is P0872? The P0872 code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an abnormally low signal from the Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor, TFPS. This sensor monitors hydraulic pressure, ensuring smooth gear shifts. Common symptoms of P0872: harsh or delayed gear shifting, transmission slipping or stuck in limp mode, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light, unusual noises from the transmission, burning smell from overheated transmission fluid. Now let's talk about where to find the important components. To properly diagnose P0872, check these key components. Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor, TFPS. Location: mounted on the transmission valve body, usually inside the transmission case. Some vehicles have it externally near the transmission housing. Function: measures hydraulic pressure and sends data to the TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: typically located near the transmission or in the engine bay close to the firewall. Function: regulates gear shifts based on pressure readings from the TFPS. Transmission pump and valve body. Location: inside the transmission case, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function: regulates hydraulic pressure for proper gear engagement. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs from the transmission to the ECU TCM, often near the engine bay. Function: transfers electrical signals for pressure monitoring and shifting control. Common causes of P0872: 1. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. The sensor may be malfunctioning or sending incorrect signals. 2. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Sludge and debris can block fluid passages. 3. Low or overfilled transmission fluid. Incorrect levels can disrupt hydraulic pressure. 4. Wiring issues or loose connections. Damaged wires or corroded connectors can cause communication errors. 5. Failing transmission pump or valve body. Internal mechanical failure can affect fluid pressure. 6. TCM software malfunction. A glitch or outdated software can misread sensor data. How to fix P0872? Step 1. Check and replace transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the right level. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS sensor. Test it with a multimeter and replace if necessary. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections and repair them. Step 4. Check the transmission pump and valve body. Clean or replace if clogged or faulty. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. Other transmission codes may indicate related issues. Step 6. Reset or update the TCM software. A reset can sometimes fix communication errors. Final words: the P0872 trouble code points to a problem with transmission fluid pressure sensor A, which can cause shifting issues and potential transmission failure. By checking fluid levels, sensors, wiring, and the valve body, you can diagnose and fix this issue before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0610 Control Module Vehicle Options Error, P0611 Fuel Injector Control Module Performance. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.